So today is a special day. Today is family day of our army. Going to represent my son. That is it. Yes, just wake. You go put a nice clean sauce. Chef, come here. Boy. I take a picture.
Take one of them now, so that's when I send my stuff.
No, them there at the post office.
Yeah, but you have put them now.
Oh no, me have Wally at the house.
You get a uniform.
You keep the uniform, yes, because you wear it, you send on whatever.
You keep it, but you're not, them not getting a new, like.
The community and all of our wonderful volunteers for helping put all this together. Please give them another round of applause. Soldiers from the first squadron of the 102nd Cavalry Regiment will be deployed to the Florida Operation Inherent Law. As mentioned by Lieutenant Colonel Ryan Hart and the senior enlisted advisor, Command Sergeant Major Paul Greenberg. Right, play together, right, fight together, and we're going to come home together. I'll see you all on the other side. Go on. Thank you, Lord.
What's nice, Donna? What's nice, buddy Donna? So today is a special day. Today is family day of our army. Going to represent my son. That is it. Yes, just wake. You go put a nice clean sauce. Hey.